Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and maybe excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you English course standard 3 chapter 11 and the chapter name is the dandelion leaf. So today we will finish the chapter, and after finishing the chapter I will give you a few words so that you can find out the meaning from dictionary and you just write down it in your fair copy. So do not skip the video, please watch the videos till last. So before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. Please complete your homework in your fair copy, in English course copy, and please write down it in your good handwriting, legible handwriting, and use dark pencil. And complete all the homework because you have a lots of time, and I have all the records written. It is with me. Record is with me. So it's better that you should complete your all homework in this virus, so that the school will open. I just want the homework all from which I have given in online classes. So, and I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home, and whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that you will be safe from the COVID-19. Please follow all the guidelines which government has told us to follow due to this virus. Stay at home, stay happy, protect yourself and your family from this virus. So in this topic we have talking about the lemon, how we can grow a lemon tree with a lemon seeds. So before that we will take a short look at what we have learned about this in dandelion leaf, about the plants. So first of all, dandelion is what it is, belongs from the daisy family. It has a bright yellow flowers, and in this story the dandelion is saying himself a green magician. So he's saying that you can't see me spilled water, but I do it inside myself. You can't see, I do it inside myself. So the dandelion roots, they can pull the water from the ground. I divided the water into the magic trick. The water isn't the water anymore when it goes inside me. When we take the water from the roots and from underground, the water through the roots, it changed into invisible glasses. You would think I was some kind of magician. Then instead of dandelion growing in a crack in a side walls, then the dandelion said that I catch the sun energy with my own solar panel, a green substances which is called chlorophyll. My green leaves, they can prepare, you know that the plant is what plants leaf, they can prepare the foods for their own. So here what dandelion, the green leaves is also they prepare the food with the help of sunlight, water and the air. In fact, all the plants, because the plant is also living things like the animals, means we just eat the foods, but they also make the food, prepare the food in their leaves with the help of sunlight, water and the air, and they also grow. So like us, means the air humans breathe out carbon dioxide, like we are just breathing out the carbon dioxide. Then the plant is what, with the help of that to make my plant, with the help of that the plant is what they make their food. That's the food my dandelion plants uses for growing and making seeds and yellow blooms and roots. So what the humans beings, they are throwing out, breathing out the carbon dioxide. So that helps to all the plants, all the food plants to make their foods. so that they can grow, they can make seeds, and they can have the roots. While making the food, the dandelion is what? They release the oxygen. The plants, all the plant is what? When they are making the food, we are just breathing out the carbon dioxide, and the plant is what? They are absorbing the carbon dioxide. And when the plant is releasing the oxygen, then the human beings is what? They use that oxygen to breathe. So we are directly connected with the plants, like we are just releasing the carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide we are just, plant is taking with it, helps to the plants to make the food. And then again the plant is what? They are just releasing the oxygens, and we are just using it for our breath. So we are indirectly connected with the plants. So that's why we should not harm the plants. It always helps us to breathe, to it gives us a fresh air, fresh oxygens, and it gives us, and it makes our global green global. So that's why we should always protect the plant. We should not cut it. Next is what? Then when you look at a little dandelion leaf, you never guess that they can breathe the air and it turn into food. But from the inside they just doing, because they are living things, so that's why it goes inside each blade of grasses and each leaves. So every leaf is what? They performs that the secret invisibly chemistry. We can't see it, it's invisible, and it is in chemistry, the study of different substances. Like we can study about the plants, then we can, with the help of a stethoscope, we can see that yes, we can just what? We can see that the plant is also making the food, and they also just have some things. Now only leaves can create food by putting together gases from air and energy from sunlight. So only the leaves, not the other plants, parts of plants, they can create food. Only the leaves, they can create the foods by what? By the gases from the air and the energy from the sunlight, not the other plants. So that is called what? That is called photosynthesis. And you know that you know already about his secret about the plants. So that much information, that when you will grow up, then you will study in your chemistry, in your science. Till that we are just finishing this here dandelion leaf. Next we will go through the lemon plants, that what the lemon he just wants to explain, and how we can grow a lemon plant. So first of all, he just explained himself that he is a lemon plant, and I am the one who gives you the lovely juices lemons, with which you can mix the lemonades and iced teas. You know that with the help of that we can drink also the juicy lemons. We can drink the teas, iced teas, nimbu pani also. So you never get to see me in person when make friends with my fruits. So let me tell that how you can keep me in your home, and someday so here lemon is just telling you that how you can keep lemon in your home, and someday if you want to make to grow your own lemons. So if you are there, then let's begin. First of all, when next time your mummy cuts a lemon to make you your favorite nimbu pani, ask her to give you a few seeds from the lemon, which usually goes straight to the dustbin. So when the next time your mother will tell you to just serve you the nimbu pani, then you just ask to your mother to give you few seeds for the lemon, which we usually throw it to the dustbin after we used that lemon. So before throwing that lemon into dustbin, lemon seeds, just take that few seeds from the lemon, collect at least 5, as not all of them may live up to become a plant. Soak them in warm water for at least 6 to 12 hours and wipe them dry before you begin potting them. And then after, you can collect at least 5 seeds from the lemon, and then after with that we can become it can grow into a plants. How? First of all, you can soak them, that seeds, into a warm water at least for 6 to 12 hours, and then after you can dry it before you going to put it into the pot. Next, how we can grow a lemon plants with lemon seeds, that we will see in the next videos. So please guys, watch the next videos. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you, have a nice day, and please watch the next videos, because after finishing this topic I will give you few words so that you can find out the meaning from dictionary. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.